Can I use a CB radio in a small car? Absolutely. In fact, we have a lot of equipment that works well in a small car. Typically, somebody's going to use a smaller radio like a President Bill or a Cobra 75, something that's all in one, or the Midland 75 822, Uniden Pro 538. Those are all nice, small, compact setups that you can put in a small car, and then you pair that with an antenna like the President Virginia, the magnet President Virginia antenna to mount on the top, or the Wilson Little Wil. You're going to have an excellent setup for your compact vehicle.